Hello friends, myself Manasvi Tanshu Kendre. I study in 7th standard in Ira International School. So today's my presentation topic is my English lesson 1.2 Monday morning. In this lesson there are four characters. First one is Tom, second one is his big brother Sid, and third one is Aunt Polly, and fourth one is Mary. So let's start our lesson. You know that children don't want to go to school. They always give some excuses for not going to school. They want more holidays. Like this one boy is there. He is named Tom. He don't want to go to school. He always give excuses for not going to school. One day, Monday morning, he wake up at morning and he think that if today I want to go to school, then he think that I will give some excuses for not going to school. Then he is finding on his body some things for giving Aunt Polly excuse. Then he said my stomach is paining. Then he said that I will tell to Aunt Polly this. Then again he think that if Aunt Polly said take medicine and go, then he said this reason also he cancelled that. Then again he is finding on his body. Then he find his loose tooth, his upper loose tooth. Then he said my upper tooth was loose. I will tell to Aunt Polly it is hurting and I can't go to school. Then again he said if I tell to Aunt Polly will pull out and it would hurt. Then he reverse that and again he is finding on his body another thing. Then he see that his sewer tooth was his sewer tooth. Then he said that my sewer tooth was paining and I can't stand, I can't walk also. Then he said that I will tell to my brother and my brother will tell to Aunt Polly. But his brother was sleeping. Then he said I will wake up to my brother. But his brother was in deep sleep. Then he said to his brother, wake up, Sid, wake up, but he can't wake up. Next time also he think that, then that time his brother wake up. Then what happened? Then brother said Sid said to him, but he don't tell anything. Then again Sid is asking to him, but he don't tell anything. But second time he tell that, what I tell to you now, my sewer tooth was paining too much. I can't stand also. How can I go to school? Then he said, I will tell to Aunt Polly. Then Tom said, don't tell to anyone. But he go and tell to Aunt Polly. And he said that Aunt Polly, Tom was dying. Aunt Polly think that Tom was dying. Then Aunt Polly ran and come to Tom's room and asked to Tom, what happened, Tom? What is the matter? What was the matter? Then he said, my sewer tooth was killing me and I can't stand. Then Aunt Polly first laughed and cry also. And then he think he is doing drama. Then Aunt Polly said that you are doing drama. Aunt Polly understand that. Then said to Tom, said to Tom that stand and go to school. Then he said, oh Aunt Polly, I forgot, my upper tooth was loose and it is hurting too much. Then Aunt Polly called to Mary and said that bring one silk thread and pan and burning of coals. Then Mary bring that. Aunt Polly first silk thread she tied to Tom's toe and another to bedpost, and she take front of Tom's face, that burning of coils put in pan and take front of Tom's face. Then Tom fear and go away. Then his loose tooth came out and Aunt Polly said that now go to school, your tooth also come out with silk thread. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. धन्यवाद.